Hi, my dear children. Welcome back to our Max class. Hope all of you are doing well. Today's first activity is to spin a top. A cardboard circle with a stick through it makes a top. Which of the above tops will spin properly? Yes, this one. Can you tell me why? Yes, it is because the stick passes through the center of the circle. In the other two tops, the stick passes through the sides of the circle. To make a good top, where should the stick pierce the circle? The stick should pierce through the center of the circle. Activity number 2. How to find the center of the circle. Here, I am going to draw a circle using the lid of a bottle. We have to find the center of this circle. I had drawn a circle here. To find the center of the circle, take this set square number 1, and place the square corner of this set square on the circle. Then mark points towards the left and right where the sides of the set square meets or touches the points on the circle. Then take a ruler and draw a line joining these 2 points. Then take the set square and place it over another point. Then mark points on the circle towards the left and right edges of the set square where it meets the circle. Then draw a line joining these 2 points. Now we got a point where these 2 lines cross or intersect each other. This point is the center of the circle. Have you all understood this? The next topic. Here is a circle with a center. This line is the radius. The distance from the center to a point on the circle is called the radius of the circle. Then I am going to extend this line from the center towards the left on the circle. Now this line passes through the center and touches 2 points on the circle. What is the name of this line? It is the diameter. This diameter forms the longest line which passes through the center of the circle. It is twice or 2 times the radius. Then what is diameter? Diameter is the longest line that can be drawn in a circle. It joins any 2 points on the circle. It always passes through the center of the circle. Diameter is twice the radius. That is, diameter equal 2 into radius. Then radius is half the diameter. That is, radius equal diameter divided by 2. Now we shall do a textual activity to find the diameter of a circle. Here a circle is given. You have to find the diameter of the circle. For finding the diameter, you have to draw a line on the circle passing through the center. Then Measure the diameter. It is 4 centimeter. Next, activity number 4. If the radius of a circle is 5 centimeter, find the diameter. Here radius equal 5 centimeter. Diameter equal 2 into radius. That is equal to 2 into 5 centimeter. That is equal to 10 centimeter. Activity number 5. Find the radius of the circle if the diameter is 16 centimeter. Here, diameter equal 16 centimeter. Then radius equal diameter divided by 2. That is equal to 16 divided by 2. That is equal to 8 centimeter. Have you all understood this? Here are some homework activities for you to find the diameter and radius of circles. Do it well. That's all for today, children. We will continue our class in the next day. Okay, thank you.